So I am Rutik Kharat, pursuing my B Electrical in Vidya Pratishthan's Kamal Nair Bajaj Institute of Engineering and Technology, and my seminar report on making chatbot using Python under the guidance of Mr. Padulkar sir. And nowadays, artificial intelligence isn't seen as this mysterious technology that threatens us with a digital revolution. Instead, we use AI to enhance our current technology so that it's smarter and proactively participates our needs. And AI used in customer service as chatbot, argumental messaging, sentiment analysis, email distribution, channel recovery, voice analysis, and data management. And each and every field there are using AI. And in this seminar report, we will see how to make chatbot by using Python. This is the index. First is the introduction. Then what is chatbot? How to make chatbot in Python, and conclusion and bibliography. The introduction. Chatbots are usually what comes to mind first when we think of artificial intelligence and customer service. That's because they are one of the first AI tools to be used for serving customers. Chatbots are programmed to interpret a customer's problem, then provide troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. This saves the customers from having to pick up the phone and call your support team every time they have a minor problem or simple question. So instead, they can type out their inquiry through your live chat channel and receive instant response from your automated agent. And you can have your bot available 24 by 7. So your customer will always have support whenever they need it. So what is chatbot? A chatbot is an AI-based software designed to interact with humans in their natural languages. These chatbots are usually converse via auditory or textual method, and they can effortlessly mimic human languages to communicate with human beings in a human-like manner. A chatbot is agreeably one of the best applications of natural language processing. There are two types of chatbot. First is a retrieval-based chatbot, and next is a second is a generating chatbot. A retrieval chatbot based is one of that function on predefined input patterns and self-response. Once the question or pattern is entered, the chatbot uses a heuristic approach to deliver the appropriate response. The retrieval-based model is extensively used to design goal-oriented chatbots with customized features like the flow and tone of the bot to enhance the customer experience. Second is the generative chatbot. Unlike retrieval-based chatbots, generating chatbots are not based on predefined response. They have leverage and sequence natural network. This is based on the concept of machine translation, where the source code is translated from the language to other language. In sequence approach, the input is transformed into an output. The benefits of chatbot for business, these are the four benefits. First is a better customer experience. Next is simple purchase process, and third is personalized service, and last is fewer resource required. So how to make chatbot in Python language? The chatbot in Python have become widely popular in tech and business sectors. These intelligent bots are so adept in imitating natural human languages and conversing with humans that companies across various industry sectors are adapting them. In this seminar report, we will learn about chatbot using Python and how to make chatbot in Python. So the first step is prepare the dependencies. The first step is creating a chatbot in Python with the chatbot library is to install the library in your system. It is the best if you create and use a new Python virtual environment for the installation. To do so, you we need to have write the execute this command in the Python terminal. The commands are pip install chatbot and pip install chatbot corpus. If you wish to upgrade the command, we can do as well pip install upgrade chatterbot corpus, pip install upgrade chatterbot. The second step is import classes. Importing classes in the second step in the Python chatbot creating process. All you need is to do is the important two classes, chatbot from chatterbot and list trainer from chatterbot trainers. To do so, we can execute the following command. These are the command from chatterbot import chatbot, from chatterbot.trainers import list trainers. The third step is create and train the chatbot. This is the third step on creating chatbot in Python. The chatbot we are creating will be instance of the class chatbot. After creating a new chatbot instance, we can train the bot to improve its performance. Training ensures that the bot has enough knowledge to get started with specific response to specific inputs. We have to execute the following command now. This is the command my bot is equal to chatbot name is equal to pybot read only is equal to true, and this is the command, and in this command the argument that corresponds to the parameter name represent the name of Python chatbot. If we wish to disable the bot's ability to learn after the training, we can include the read only is equal to true command. The command logic adapters denotes the first of adapters used to train the chatbot. While the chatterbot.logic mathematical evolution helps the bot to solve math problems, the chatterbot.logic.based match helps is to choose the best match from the list of response already provided. Since we have to provide a list of responses, we can do it by specifying the list of strings that can be later used to train Python chatbot and find best match for each query. Here's an example of response we can train the chatbot using Python to learn. This is the messages means small talk, and the messages are hi there, hi, something like how do you do, how are you, and these answers are fine or whatever the questions are, and these are the simple questions and answers for the chatbot. So we can also create and train the bot by writing an instance of list trainer and supplying it with a list of strings like so. So list trainer, the the fourth step is communicate with the Python chatbot. To interact with the Python chatbot, we can use the dot get response function. Dot get response is the function. This is how should look like communicating. This is the simple program where printing of the message is done. However, it is essential to understand the chatbot using Python might not know how to answer all the questions since its knowledge and training is still very limited. We have to give it time and provide more training data to train it further. The fifth step is train Python chatbot with a corpus of data. So in this fifth step, it is the last step to how to make a chatbot in Python. For training the Python chatbot ever further, we can use an existing corpus of data. Here is the simple example of how to train Python chatbot with a corpus of data provided by the bot itself. So the code is like from chatterbot.trainers import chatterbot corpus trainer. Corpus underscore trainer is equal to chatterbot corpus trainer parenthesis my underscore bot corpus, and next is corpus underscore trainer dot train chatterbot dot corpus English. This is how we can create chatterbot in Python. So the hardware required are CPU processor V3, RAM is 128 MB and above, hard disk up to 40 GB and above. Output devices are monitors, printers. And software requirements are operating system, Windows XP and above. Here is a simple conclusion from this seminar report. We learned application of artificial intelligence in customer service, especially in chatbot, and learn how to make chatbot in Python. Bibliography is internet, and thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.